Discussion Day 5. In today's video, I really wanted to discuss with you the fact that's really important for you to know if you are really willing to learn a language. Doesn't matter either you are a beginner or an intermediate level speaker. All you need to know is just 4 things: fun and enjoyment, methods, system, and patience. Fun and enjoyment. Just start from day 1. Just start. You will definitely make mistakes, but don't worry, it's all gonna be fine. By watching cooking shows, movies, makeup tutorials, podcasts, you can learn a language and make this learning process interesting. Initially, maybe you didn't understand anything, but if you're being consistent, things will start getting better. Initially, stay in your comfort zone. If you are an introvert and feel hesitant to speak, then initially speak in your own comfort zone, so that when you speak that particular language comfortably with yourself, then definitely you will speak confidently in public too. Some interesting methods. Method 1. Learn from pictures. Method 2. Learn through your hobbies. Method 3. Learn during household chores. Method 4. Learn during some fun time. There are actually hundreds of methods, but these are the ones which I personally used. Now you need to develop a system. You need to create a system. Create a system to implement that specific interesting methods to learn a language. Now how? Wake up 15 minutes earlier that you normally do and try to watch whatever you like, but in English. While doing household chores, you can watch a good TV show, or maybe listen some music of your choice, or maybe watch some cooking recipes. Here I'll give you ideas how you're gonna learn a language during household chores. If you are a movie lover, you can watch a movie, or if you are a fashion or elegance lover, you can watch a podcast. I recommend you Anabe podcasts. If you are a cooking lover, then you probably watch a cooking show. If you are an architectural lover, go ahead with Architectural Digest. If you love to watch interesting interviews, then go with The Wig. If you are a makeup lover, go ahead. Go and watch Makeup Tutorial by Kylie Jenner. Now focus on expressions. By watching all of these things, it will better help you in fluently and effectively learning a language. So here's how you learn English with fun and enjoyment. Discussion